A Memphis immigration legal services organization is preparing to close its doors, potentially impacting hundreds of children. Now, the group says the federal government owes them more than $500,000 for services it has already provided. ABC 24's Shakina Davis has more on why the organization says its closure could have a lasting impact on immigrant families across the Mid-South.
Mid-South Immigration Advocate says it's used its reserve funds to keep serving clients while waiting for the federal government to pay its invoices. Now the organization says it's running out of time and the people it represents could be left without the legal help they need.
For the past 7 months, we have been providing the services under this contract, and we just have not been getting paid.
Mid-South Immigration Advocate says it is now forced to close its Memphis and Nashville offices. The organization says it's owed more than $500,000 for legal services provided under a federal program serving unaccompanied immigrant children. Funding for the program ceased after the federal government decided to end a contract last year that paid for legal help. Mia says it has nearly 800 current clients, about half of them children.
There were few resources before us. All of our federal funding is gone, and so now there's fewer resources after us. It just shows how unprepared the Mid-South is to serve its immigrant communities.
And legal director Sally Joyner says the closure comes as the Mid-South already faces a shortage of immigration attorneys.
There's no public defender when it comes to deportation court. For the vast majority of children and people in need in immigration court, they go before a judge without any assistance anyway. And if you go before an immigration judge without an attorney, the result is deportation the vast majority of the time.
Acacia Center for Justice, a national immigration legal services group, says more than 20,000 unaccompanied children could be at risk of losing legal representation. The group says without legal representation, fewer than 1% of immigrant children are granted immigration relief. Mia says it is no longer accepting new clients and will work to find alternate counsel for clients with active cases.
As a staff, we are collectively in mourning. For all of us, unanimously doing this work has been the privilege and honor of a lifetime.
Mid-South Immigration Advocate says the federal contracts that help fund legal services for unaccompanied immigrant children are set to expire July 31st. Now, the organization says it will close its physical offices over the next few months, but will continue maintaining client files and helping with the transition. Mia is also seeking donations to help cover the cost of maintaining its client databases, phone lines, and other services during that transition. In Memphis, Shakina Davis, ABC 24 News.